Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my last video, which was how to choose a career, I had spoken about self-awareness. In this video, we'll be talking about it in detail. And by end of this video, I'll be sharing you a template which will help you to practically implement this concept so that you can get maximum benefit out of it. So let's get started. What is self-awareness? Self-awareness is a process of understanding ourselves, understanding who we are, understanding our behavior, our mood swings, our emotions, our values, why we behave in certain situations differently, what are the reasons behind that. This all come under self-awareness. It is a conscious step to know yourself and to analyze about you, your feelings, your values, your personality, and everything. Researchers says when we start understanding ourselves, it helps us to improve our confidence level. We become more confident, we become more creative. It helps us to take sound decisions. Even it helps us to build a strong relationship with our partners, even with all our friends and with our parents. Even we can become a better employee, a better leader. Means it helps you to develop yourself personally as well as professionally. Self-awareness and self-improvement goes hand in hand. As we start knowing ourselves, it will help us to understand what exactly our current status is, and to achieve our goals and dreams, what exactly improvements we require to reach there. Of course, to become a better version of ourselves, self-awareness and self-improvement should go parallelly. Self-awareness can be broadly categorized into two. The first one is internal awareness and the second one is the external awareness. Under this internal self-awareness, we can put all our values, our thought process, our feelings, our behavior, uh, anything which impacts us negatively or positively, our anxiety, our stress, how we tackle a particular situation, how we behave with others, why we change our behavior in certain situation. This all come under internal awareness. Under external self-awareness, we can put our skills, our strengths, our weaknesses. All the points which we have discussed under internal self-awareness can also come under external self-awareness. But the point is how much we express this to others, and what are their perspective, and what are their understanding about our feelings or values, and everything that changes. So the amount or the rating will differ, but that points can also be come under this external self-awareness. If we want to grow, self-awareness is very important, and we should track all the negatives and the positive points also, to understand how this thing can be put practically, so that we can improve ourselves and track it. Let's move to the template. This is the self-awareness template. Here we have three tables in it. The first table, here we have to put all the awarenesses which we have discussed in the video. In the last column, that is cohesive awareness, here you have to put all the attributes which you will discover once you connect with any of your closed one, and discover few of things which you don't know about yourself, that you have to put in cohesive awareness column. The second table is of rating your attributes. So in first column, you have to put all your attributes, and then you have to give self rating. If you are comfortable enough and you want to connect with any of your friends, colleagues or parents, and understand a particular attribute, what they observe and what rating they want to give, so you can connect with them and put it in the third column. And the fourth one is you have to average it out, and then you have to divide all the attributes which you have mentioned in the Second table, you have to divide it into a personal and professional development. If you, of course, if you are a college student, accordingly you have to put all your attributes in the under this professional development thing. And here you have to mention what all skills or what all strengths, weaknesses, your values or emotion thing which you want to develop within yourself. So that you have to mention, and you have to track it the progress. I would suggest that you can do it every quarterly, and check what all progress you have done, and accordingly you can move further. Self awareness is a very broad concept. I have tried to compress it and put it in this short video. I hope you like this video. If you do consider by subscribing to this channel and hit that like button, and share with people, those who really need this. We'll be meeting soon with a new video. Until then, take care and happy learning. Bye.